Hello everyone. Let's talk about the repeat analysis assignment that you guys are all so overjoyed to complete this semester. Don't worry, we will get through this. For this assignment, it will take place over the course of this semester. This is a collaborative assignment, so each clinic group will complete this assignment as a group. So therefore, I will only need one finished product, one completed paper. So how are we going to complete this assignment? Or actually, let's talk about why I want you to do this assignment. This assignment is important because it provides the framework on how to complete a root cause analysis for excessive repeat radiographs. Once you identify those causes or reasons for the repeats, then you can narrow down and reflect on what needs to be improved, whether there's positioning errors, equipment failures, exposure errors, things of that nature. So moving forward, how do I want you to do this assignment? Well, first there is going to be a data collection period from starting January 30th to March 11th, and I will correct the date there. It says 2022, but I meant 2023. Anyhow, again, the assignment is to be completed as a collaborative assignment. Each member of the clinical group will complete their own log sheet with the required data. If you scroll down here to the supporting documents, you will see that I have provided here an Excel worksheet. And let me bring that up for you. I have provided for you a spreadsheet for the repeat analysis. You can utilize this individually. I would suggest that each student utilize a copy individually and then designate one student to enter the information for the group, because this is a group project and you are to reflect upon, the group's reasoning for the repeat analysis and root cause analysis, as well as your individual repeat rates and what you need to do to mitigate some of those errors. The spreadsheet is set up to continually run a continuous tally. However, if you accidentally delete the setup of the program, then you'll have to go back and just make sure that it's continually keeping tally of everything. So just make sure you count and make sure that the numbers are correct once you get to the grand total. At the end here, there should be a grand total for total number of images taken by the group, and then total number of repeats, and then it'll give you a percentage of that you should be within. And so each student should be within plus or minus 2% of each other. The repeat analysis, I believe, is also gone over in your Carlton and Adler. So if you need any additional help with this final worksheet, please see me about that. So once your collection period is complete, once you have completed your data collection period, you're going to analyze that data And you'll utilize that information to provide suggestions for corrective measures to minimize your repeat rates in problem areas that you have identified through the analysis. Your analysis your individual repeat rate should be plus or minus 2%, within plus or minus 2% of each other. You're going to calculate your individual repeat rate based on the data collected from your survey. You're going to calculate the repeat rate of repeated images by reasons, calculate the repeat rate by exam category, and incorporate your institution's acceptable repeat rate parameters if they actually conduct a repeat analysis. But if you have issues finding that out, please let me know. So, what do I want you to include in your submission? Each individual student will submit to me their personal log sheets. Then you will also designate one person from your group to complete the actual paper. You're going to utilize 1 to 2 scholarly sources to create this paper. This APA formatted paper should include a brief explanation of the importance of repeat analysis, the results indicated, the corrective measures to improve the inadequate images. You should also include a data spreadsheet, or like a final data spreadsheet, or a graph or chart of the data. Also include in here a self-reflection of your group's experience with the repeat analysis, as well as a self-reflection including the areas of improvement for each individual, strengths and weaknesses as a group as well. I have included at the bottom here in a repeat analysis example, just so that you guys can grasp an idea of what the paper kind of should look like. Again, I only need one paper, so you guys do not have to submit to me 3 or 4 papers from each person. The last thing that is going to be required of you is to complete a peer evaluation form for each individual in your group. That form is found down here under supporting documents. Underneath that, you will find the assignment submission. Again, just designate one person to submit the repeat analysis project for the group, and each individual should submit their own log sheets, and you can utilize this same tab for the assignment submission. The peer evaluation form is here, and please fill that out for each student in your group again and submit it under the collaborative learning peer evaluation submission link. I hope that provided you some clarity on the assignment. This assignment is due April 9th of 2023, which should give you plenty of time to work on this. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me, and good luck.